Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't know what's in here. It's pretty rare that something gets FedEx to me, so kind of curious. We're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right. That seems like a safe spot to cut right there. Yeah. Okay. So here's a... Oh. Is it from Wii? I was wondering what this soft thing was in here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay, so it's just, okay, hold on. I know, all you can hear is this rustling of, this confusing packaging. They sent me a hat. I'm pretty sure they have an event going on right now. We got a couple, cool. These will make good giveaway items. They've got an event. I'll link the CIVIVI website. I'm pretty sure they have their event going on right now. So you guys please check out the links in the description. And then I'll link these, whatever they are, right down there as well. Don't cut towards yourself. That's dumb. As I am demonstrating, that was intentional. Just trying to demonstrate what not to do with a knife. All right. We have one. We have a Wii. And we have a CIVIVI. Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much to... This was obviously sent by Wii/CIVIVI. So thank you very much, guys. Let's check out what we've got here. That's totally sealed. This is the Cogent. Cogent? I don't know how to pronounce it, but excited to check it out either way. Okay. And oh. It's the button. Yeah. Why am I excited about this? Because this is going to be a relatively inexpensive button lock. I think everybody's well aware that the Malibu made the whole button lock thing like super. It's not like button locks didn't exist before the Malibu, but the Malibu really kind of was got popularized very quickly. There were a lot of people that kind of mentally fell into sync with that design. And so the, other companies have, kind of followed suit with trying to make their own button locks, some of them. And they've been real hit or miss. Most of them have been miss, but I think CIVIVI doing a button lock makes a lot of sense, especially with a flipper tab. Obviously, they did that with the Elementum, which was because they didn't have a flipper tab, but this one does. Oh, and as you can see, it works quite well. I would call this a full-size knife. Yeah. Let's see here. The reason I'm kind of stuttering around is because I'm still looking for the steel. I don't know what the steel is on this. Oh boy, this is cool. This is going to make a lot of people happy. That blade grind is nice too. Does it say? Oh, looky there, folks. Black G10, black stonewashed, and 14C28N. Man, yes, CIVIVI. Yes, there we go. This is the right way to do this. I'm actually pretty excited about this. I think this is cool. A lot of the really popular stuff, like the Malibu, is just stupidly hard to get. So, and a lot of people, really just want to experience the whole button lock flipper thing, and I don't blame them. It looks like CIVIVI's going to make that happen for a lot of people. I think this is a wonderful substitute, or if not a substitute, it's just going to be a cool knife to pick up. This is just first impressions, by the way. It's not actually a review. We'll review the thing down the road. Looks like typical, CIVIVI construction. We've got a little bit more milling going on here on the scales, a little more personality going on. They've done this line before in other designs. Button it's recessed, but it's also still raised a bit above the G10. Blade grind looks excellent. Clip point, right? Steel liners, milled out, typical pocket clip. Hate that goose bill, but you know what? I'll take it. Yeah, this works. Nice. That's That is the coolest CIVIVI that has come out in a long time. And like with a lot of their other stuff, like the Imperium was one of the more interesting things, and the Key Nadar, right? But those were still, even with their unique character traits, were still more along the same lines of what we've come to expect from CIVIVI, which is just good, but it's just the same good over and over again. This is different. Yeah, this is cool. That works. Very, very cool. Okay, next up we have, the Snick. Okay, all I remember about this knife is the name of it. I don't remember anything else. What do we have here? Okay, we got some G10 laid into titanium. Looks like it's a frame lock, but it's underneath, is it? Or is that cutout, does that cutout go all the way down? I think it does. All right, okay. We have the same, so what's going on? What's going on here with the pocket clip? We have this kind of, it's kind of unique, but it's also kind of, it's probably titanium. Whoops, that's not the magnet. Where's the magnet? There it is. Yeah, so the pocket clip is titanium, but it's kind of ultra similar to a CIVIVI clip in appearance, meaning not 3D milled like we like to see on some of the, the higher end Wiis. Now this doesn't feel like a CIVIVI, as I call it, where it's kind of an in-between CIVIVI and Wii. It still feels like a Wii, it's just kind of lighter weight. Titanium's helping with that. I kind of like the G10 inlay here. It's pretty straightforward. Steel lock bar insert. That frame, is it tucked under there just a little bit? It is. I think just a little. Nope, that line goes all the way up to the top. This line right here. It's a frame lock. I mean, just generic frame lock, all fully exposed, but it's pretty slim. So where your fingers land to flip it, like if I were to just lay my fingers down, even if they are touching the frame, it still flips, no problem. Nice choil right here. Low profile flipper tab makes it easy to engage that area. Yeah, super slicey blade. Incredible taper down to a very fine tip. Very thin edge, for sure. Yeah, this is all right. I have no idea what it's going to cost. I will link both of these guys right down in the description so that you guys can check them out. Yeah, as per usual, when you use my links, it does help my channel, but that is 100% up to you. I'll link them down there if you want to use them, check out pricing, anything like that. This is cool. Both knives are cool. Way, 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 way more excited for this guy. This is... Yeah, that's going to be a real winner, I think. I'm not finding too much to complain about in the first impressions, but I'll carry this guy along with this other one here over the course of a few weeks. We'll return with a comprehensive review, and I'll tell you guys exactly what I think. So anyways, thank you so much to Wii/CIVIVI for sending these in for review. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex if you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you'd like to check out my other content. I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.